We are at this beautiful waterfall in Wales, South Wales I should say. Uncle Rashid and Timmy and Uncle Lally are able to get right by the waterfall. As you can see, because of my shoes, I'm unable to go any further unless I want to break my legs. It's been an amazing few days here in wonderful Wales. I've found myself a new haven. I want to thank Lally for bringing us to this magical place, and it's lovely to have Uncle Rashid and Timmy with us as well, and hopefully look forward to travelling with us again. As you can see how gorgeous this place is, and I've trekked all this place with my sandals and look forward to definitely coming again. Thank you to everyone. Love you all loads.